The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panyat Singh Siem, had organized a press briefing on the 25th of July 2023 to inform about the various decisions taken by the Executive Council in its second meeting held recently. Speaking to news reporters today, the CEM of the KHADC informed that the new EC has decided to clear all arrears of the present staff of the council, apart from those pending for former MDCs, retired staff and all others, which in total amounts to approximately rupees 6 crores 50 lakhs. At the same time, the CEM informed that the council has decided that as per the United Khasi Jaintia District Fisheries Act 1954, and empowered by Rule 29 of the Assam Meghalaya Rules 1951, all fisheries-related activities, including fishing competitions, will be regulated and approved by the KHADC.
Nakaliang jong ka isi nga don ka jing thumu ban ilarai ru hakani ka isi mentas ngi ba kani ka isi bathumai kan plat lane kan penkhuit no ya baru kini ki areas ki ba sa jong ki employees ki jungi ki staff ki jungi ki officers ki noktre baru claim da jer keteng ya ka ba kum kano kata ka areas de baru ki ba la kentup langru wat ya ka areas jong ki prangut ki ex MDC ki bla job ya ka case ba ki dai ban yo ka pension de bat kaniru ka areas ka don kumba arp saulak tam de ringkat bat ki areas jongki present employees ki badang don menta ki staff ki officer bat kumjuru ka areas ka badai ka benefit lani ka jingyo benta jongki staff ki bala retired lani ki officers bala retired baro ka kot jan kumban riu kulur shiteng de yakani nakaliang ka isi ilashim da ka wei ka rai ba ngin polite notion ya kani ka areas baru syakini badai ban yo bakat kum ka notification hapo kani ka United Khasi Jaintia Hills District Fisheries Act 1954 bat kumju lam pen khambor ini lingba ka rule arp khandai jong ka Assam and Meghalaya rules khat khandai spa sampuwe la pen scam ya kani ka notification ba baro kitu kiba penlong yaki jing yakwai dokha ki competition fishing competition baro kin hab ban yo eka permission naka district council menta namangi la don ya la ka jong ka ak but ngila pen trekam ya kani but ngila pen scam ha ka isi ya ka notification ka bami ha ka khat sau tarik Julai but ya kani notification ngila pha shabaro san teli ki district ki ba kentup ya ki deputy commissioner ki SP ya ki bakrau ya ki hima ki ban ya trailang ringkat pakishnong ben trailang bat ni.
At the same time, the CEM of the KHADC also announced that the council will promote traditional medicine through the setting up of an institute at Lumsopet Beneng, wherein training resources will be outsourced so as to impart the best training to traditional medical practitioners.
Khasi Traditional Medicine Commission. Kani ka commission la don hapo jong kani ka act ya ka ba nakaliang ka commission ka ju court application ye kino ki nong ai dawai khasi nong ai dawai kenbat khasi ki basumal daga jing start daga jing kabor ka bleu ayaki bakit sumal yaki para breu para mensim lingba ki kenbat baki yo naki cloud naki keper naki nitai but ya kani kino ki bakwa ban yo ka jing itu kat kum kani ka ak jungi ka bangidon te kamut ki hab ban wan ban apply kani but namar ba ki chief executive member ki julong ki chairman tengi sundai ba ladai kapor ba ka isi kelashim ya karai ban penthumai no ban reconstitute ikani namar ba chairman barim idi CM tementa la rai da ka isi ba UCM ba menta un clear no un long no chairman jongnika commission but kani commission kan yo ban screen kinu no ki application bawan changi bangin yo ban I certificate but kumju habai de kani ngila shimru ya karai na ka isi ban play no shen ya tika khasi traditional medicine institute kejongi hang ti pot lum so pet penek kapa la dep ban pentrai menta sa stang katu kat ni ki sanitation work kum ki ka umbam di ban penpoi ha ni ka institute nang ta ka yin sa jong chukidar bat kiwi ki kam ki barit baria badang sa batang shudap kini niyo ban play no ya kathi but habedi but kata ngila shimu ya karai ba habedi kani ki institute ngin sa call for any expression of interest naki way pat ki institute lesina po jala but nashabaru ki ba specialize ya kani ka herbal treatment kini katai ba nakalyang jumi ngila shim karai ba kumnom no ngin outsource ya kani ka Khasi Traditional Medicine Institute ka jungi khnang ban nang khampen baha shu but nakalyang jungi ru kabasa mta bangi danru ka jingthumu banbu eka laboratory te kani ngidang pha eka jingtho shaka government banyo eka permission banbu eka laboratory khnang ba kini kinong sumar dawai khasi ki jongi le Singapore khasi ki ban wan hang the ban ai ki dawai ki jongi ban bu ang the namta ka jing sumar ki babun kin long ki balong hygienic lani ki ba khoi ba suba bat ki ban nam don jing ta pat hakawai pa kalyang ka koi ka khia.
Also, the chief executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council informed that the council has decided to reorganize the Monolith Festival this year to encourage local entrepreneurs and farmers to promote their products through the particular platform.
Ka nongrim bangi penlong ikani kalong bangi kwa ban showcase ne ban peni sya perthai ya ka jing ruspa jo kariti restore ka jungi ka culture ka jungi but ya kani ka Monolith Festival kan compare menta kasin na maria kani ngin sai training pa state government pa tourism department they can come here, let's say, can come bone key items, kibabun kibangin habban yatray lang state government, come tam bangladan kini Khasi Heritage Village hintay, nadu kapor i deputy CM hatu kapor kilasdang, but ni shisha ba kibabun ba kibakwa ban tip ban ngamjaliw ban sutu khambai ka jak rujumi, tangling ba ka jing let jongki hapo Khasi Heritage Village hapo moplang, let's say kila la ban sutu malumala kumno ka jinglong jingman bat na e ka thmei jungi khasi ni mi kani ni im te kata te bat e kani hi ka jing penlong ka Monolith Festival nget skamba sa hisin pat ki tourist ne ki brio jong ka jala lani jong kari India ne shabar jong kari India ru kin tip chhang ka ja khasi